Hello and welcome. I'm going to do some trading today, and I just thought I'd start basically with my portfolio, and I've just been clicking around my portfolio, and you can see here in Bitfinex that I've got 1,970 ZILICA coins, and I've got the opportunity here. If I click this link here, it tells me I've got 6 profitable arbitrage routes. So if I just open that up, it takes me to the arbitrage page, and let's have a look. So I've got Bitfinex, to CoinX, Binance, KuCoin, Binance, and CoinX again. And as you can see here, the ROIs are ranging from, looks like about 6.6% to a possible 45%. Now I want to build up my my Binance. I'm actually looking at building up my Binance coin. So what I might do is send my ZILICA from Bitfinex over to Binance, and then obviously once I've got it in Binance, I can then start to exchange that into Binance coin. So I've got the chance here. I've got 2 opportunities. I've got the opportunity to do it manually by clicking this link, or by getting the bot to do it. So I'm a little bit lazy, so I'm going to actually get the bot to do this. So I'm going to click on view, and what that will do, you can see here it's telling me that the bot already knows that I've got 1,970 ZIL coins here in Bitfinex, and it's showing me what those profitable returns are likely to be. So obviously the optimum is around about that amount of ZIL, which I don't have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the amount of ZIL that I do have, and you can see here that I'm still looking at increasing that to just shy of 8% by the time I've obviously sent it over from or done the various trades and obviously sent it over to Binance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy this this trade here. I'm going to obviously agree to everything at this end and then click buy now. And there we can see, so that's the route that I've just purchased, and as you can see it's in progress. So if we just click on the route now, we can have a look at the route details. Okay, so what the bot's doing now at the moment, it's taken my 1,970 ZIL, and obviously it's now buying Bitcoin, and it's then going to once it's done that, it's then going to ask me to then deposit the Bitcoin from Bitfinex into Binance, and then obviously once it arrives in Binance, then the bot will then obviously automatically sell the Bitcoin back into ZIL, and hopefully I'll have made a bit of a profit in making that happen. Hello and welcome back. Now that was pretty quick. As you can see, we started, or the bot started, at 2 minutes to 2, and if I click on the clock here, you can see that it's 6 minutes past. So about 6-7 minutes it's taken. Now it probably took a lot less than that, because obviously I was busy sorting out my deposit and withdrawal features on the 2 exchanges, and then pop back, and obviously you can now see that it's now waiting for me to do the withdrawal. So we click view details, and obviously you can now see that it's giving me the instructions of what to send and how much to send over to those exchanges. So I'm just going to complete these details and then obviously come back to the video. Okay, so I've just updated the amount of Bitcoin I'm sending over, because we've got more Bitcoin than it thought we were going to have, and obviously I've put in the destination address, which is to Binance, and all I need to do is I need to send it from Bitfinex, and then once I've done that, I'll then click confirm manual trading from here. Okay, so that's all done. So now I need to just click this, and there we go. So now the bot is waiting for that deposit of Bitcoin to go over to Binance, and then once it arrives, it should then do the second part of that trade, which is selling the Bitcoin back into ZIL. Hello and welcome back. Well, the route has completed, as you can see. and it's surprising me. It's given me a 76.6% ROI, which is pretty impressive. So if we go over to Binance, my exchange, you can see, hopefully you can see that it's not a screenshot or anything like that, and you can see here that there's my ZIL, and that's the BTC value, so that's the amount that I've deposited into Binance, and as you can see it's now giving me a total of 3,478, and if you remember we started off with 1,970 ZIL, so it was definitely worth what time is it now? So I'm recording this now, so it's probably definitely worth 40 minutes of my time in sort of allowing the bot to go and work its magic. So as you can see, I've grown my ZIL from 1,970 up to 3,478, and like I say, my next job is to use Jonny Arbitrage to look at a way of getting this ZIL transferred into Binance Coin. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.